quick.
Yeah, well, we've lucked out and we got an air ambulance, so let's have a look around this, because obviously we've already got the air ambulance on ours, okay, already. But now we actually get to have a proper look. Now, obviously they've got all the kit they need to save lives.
Are these for private hire? Yeah, for private hire is what we're doing. We're doing pleasure flights today. Yeah, no bother. But you have to be seriously ill or injured. But then it's free. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we've got a few rescuers in there now. Yeah, please do. Yeah. So you don't touch any buttons.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, of course. What about that? Start button. No, that one? Yeah, there's no key actually. It's just literally full start. Very modern. Yeah. Yeah, so it's a true treat today. Adam, Lisa, and Martin. So Lisa and Martin are over here farming.
God, look at the colour of that.
Privately a jet.
Sorry, guys.
Max takeoff weight is just below 5 tons. Oh, you
Wasn't that a treat? Lovely. So hope you enjoyed that. Like and subscribe and see you in the next one.